At guard, number 61, Adam Halverson. Number 66, guard, Brandon Vasky. Running back, number 21, Mitch Nelson. Running back, number 36, Joe Bohenke. Left end, number 64, Stephen Vasky. Right end, number 88, Alex Bullmeyer. At quarterback, number 10, Kyle Olson. Thunder is coached by Dave Kirks, assisted by Bo Jennings and Eldon McKinney. And now for your Harris Lake Park Wolves. With a record of 2-4 in the district, 6-2 overall, we'll announce only the seniors tonight. And Joshua Jurgens.
Go get it! Go get it! Okay, let's go, defense.
Let's go. Kyle, you want to play? Kyle, you want to play?
Good play. Good play.
Mitch Nielsen on the carry, game play, makes it 2nd and 14.
Come on,
Thunder.
defense.
Alex Bullmeyer on the reception, brought down by 6. Joe Bohenke on the carry for the Thunder, brought down by Ross Earson and Travis Nissen for the Wolves. That Highland's pass incomplete.
Come man up. Good. Ooh.
Brad Hoffenkamp on the carry for the Thunder. Brought down. Mitch Nielsen on the carry, brought down by Kyle. Mitch Nielsen on the carry. Mitch Nielsen on the carry, brought down by Seth High.
Defense.
Read him, guys, read him. Pass.
Kyle Olson on the quarterback keeper. Travis Nissen on the stop.
Come on, defense.
Go big blue and white. Go big blue. Go big blue and white. Go big blue.
Mitch Nielsen on the carry for the Thunder.
Come on, defense.
Joe Mahonic on the carry.
On defense. Good tackle. Good tackle.
Mitch Nielsen on the carry. Josh Huff on the stop for the Wolves. Mitch Nielsen on the carry. Josh Huff. Touchdown Thunder. Kyle Olson on the carry for the touchdown. Ryan Rowe on the block of Mark Kirk's kick for the Wolves.
Good run. Good run. Good run.
Seth Hyder's pass incomplete.
You can do it. You can do it. Block for him. Block.
Seth Hyder's pass incomplete.
Good kick.
Kyle Noble's kick goes out of bounds.
Come on, defense.
Thunder have the ball first and 10 on their own 17. Kyle Olson's pass received by Alex Bowman.
Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go for the Wolves team. Gio, let's go for the Wolves team.
Joe Mahonic on the kick.
Let's go for the Wolves team. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go for the Wolves team. Gio, let's go for the Wolves team. Let's fight. Let's do it. Let's fight for the Wolves.
Mitch Nielsen on the carry, but there is a flag on the play. Mitch Nielsen on the carry for the Thunder. Kyle Olson.
We've got too many men.
Timeout, Thunder.
Come on, defense.
Mark Kirk on the keeper for the touchdown. Mark Kirk's kick deflected by Seth. Kick off. John Olsen, Josh Huff back to receive. Josh Huff on the carry, brought down by number. Travis Nissen on the carry. Josh Huff on the carry, Mark Kirks on the stop. Ively's pass to Travis Nissen complete. Brad Hessenkamp on the stop.
Black Flames.
Get it, Roscoe, go!
Kyle Lowell's kick goes out of bounds. Joe Bohonic on the carry.
F-I-T-E fight. W-I-N. Go fight with.
Community heads up.
Mitch Nielsen on the carry, Kyle Mobile on the flag before the snap. Mitch Nielsen on the carry for the touchdown. Kyle Olsen's pass. Cirk's kick goes into the end zone.
No, block it. Block.
Travis Nissen.
Off and stretch your stuff.
Josh Huff on the carry. Travis Hefty on the stop for the Seth Ively on the carry. Stopped by Greg Foss for the Thunder.
Let's get fired up! Let's get fired up! Fight, fight team, fight, fight, hey, we're mean, fight, fight team, fight, fight, hey, we're mean.
Come on, defense.
Flags on the play. Olsen's pass complete to Brandon Baskey.
Go.
mugs on sale, and if you'd like to have some hot chocolate, up the mugs are $6. Hot chocolate in it will cost you $7. And they'll sound pretty good right now. On the 5-yard line. Mark Search on the carry for the touchdown. Search's kick is up and good for the extra point. Seth Hively on the carry.
Rowdy, rowdy. Let's get rowdy. RWDA, that's the way we go, rowdy, rowdy. Let's get rowdy. RWDA.
Block, block, block.
Seth Hively's pass complete to Grant Cobb.
Run, good block.
Kyle Noble on the carry. Alex Bowmeyer.
Block, block, block.
Seth Hively's pass complete to Josh Huff.
S-C-O-R-E score, Wolf score. S-C-O-R-E score, Wolf score.
Seth Hively's pass incomplete. Seth Hively, the quarterback keeper. Dan Allman on the stop.
Block, block, block.
Seth Hively's pass incomplete.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Keep your heads up. Keep your heads up.
Mitch Nielsen on the carry. Kyle Noble on the stop for the Wolves.
Come on, defense. Come on now, defense. Good play, Rock. Good play. Good play. Come on now, defense. Come on now.
The power of our Super Wolves team, because we possess the lightning bolt that makes us tough and recognize the power of our Super
Mark Search on the carry. Kyle Noble on.
Hold him there,
We
defense.
possess
Come on,
the lightning
defense.
bolt that makes us tough and
Good tackle. Good tackle. Nice job.
Brad Hazenkamp on it. Should stand for $1.
Come on now, defense. Stop him here.
Kyle Olson on the quarterback keeper. Search on the carry, Josh Huff. Mark Search on the carry again for the Thunder, Ross Ingerson. Flying before the fly.
Here we go now. Here we go here.
Kyle Olson caused personal foul against the Wolves. For the Wolves, makes it 4th and 2. Brad Hazenkamp on the carry, Kyle Mokel with the stop. Mark Search on the carry. Mark Search on the carry for the touchdown. Mark Search's kick is blocked by Seth Heidley. T for the Wolves. Josh Huff on the carry, Tyler Munson on the stop. Seth Heidley. Seth Heidley's pass complete to Ross Ingwerson for the first down. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, he sent him up there.
Block for block.
Seth Heidley's pass intercepted by number 30, Brad Hazenkamp to end the second.
Let it go.
It's time. Suicide clock. It's time to run.
Josh Huff on the carry. Seth Heidley's pass incomplete.
Let's
Mark Serks on the carry. Kyle Olson on the quarterback keeper. Andrew Sheik on the stop.
Stop your defense. Come on now. Come on, defense.
Alex Beaumont, the complete reception. Mitch Nielsen in for the touchdown. Flag on the play. Personal foul, roughing the kicker is charged against the Wolves. Serks kick goes out of the end zone. Travis Nissen on the carry.
I don't know either.
Josh Huff on the carry. Mitch Nielsen on the stop.
Attack, make them shake in their knees. 'Cause we're the mighty wolves and we do as we please. Attack, make them shake in their knees. 'Cause we're the mighty wolves and we do as we please. Get up. Attack, make them shake in their knees. 'Cause we're the mighty wolves and we do.
Seth Highway's pass.
Defense.
Jordan Hazenkamp on the carry. Pass complete to Jordan Hawk. Travis Nissen on the
Go fight tonight. Take hold tight. Dominate tonight. Go, 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 fight tonight. Take hold tight. Dominate tonight.
Beautiful.
Mark Jacobson on the carry. Ross Everson on the stop.
Stop him here. Stop him here. Come on. Okay. Come on, guys. Get. Get.
Josh Huff on the quarterback sack. Hiley's pass complete to Ross Everson. Seth Hiley's pass is incomplete.
Come on now. Get your first down. Block, block, block.
Flag on the play. Ross Ingerson sacked by Seth Hyland's pass complete to Jeremy Bruderman.
Block, block.
Mitch Nielsen on the carry, Ross Ingerson on the stop.
Good back up. Defense, good job.
Kyle Olson on the quarterback keeper, Ross Ingerson on the stop. Kyle Olson with the ball, sacked by Kyle Noble. Right before the snap.
Let's go. Blue. Let's go. Let's go. LETSGO. Let's go. Let's go. LETSGO. Let's go.
Nathan Shipman on the sack for Kyle Olson.
Let it go, Rock. Let it go. Let it go.
Mark Sirk's kick goes into the end. Kyle Noble on the carry. Brad Hazenkamp on the
Jenkins.
Oh, no. Pass interference.
set.
Come on. Block for it. Block.
Seth Ivey's pass incomplete, intended for Travis Nissen. Brad Hazenkamp on the carry. Kyle Noble pushing him out of bounds. Kyle Olson's pass complete to Zach Vogt. Spencer Herbert.
F-I-T, fight. F-I-F-I-T, fight. F-I-F-I-T, fight.
Jordan Hazenkamp on the carry. Jordan Hazenkamp on the carry, steps out of bounds.
notice they're running the opposite way now all the time. Well, I can't understand it.
Running away from.
Mark Jacobson on the carry.
Plays this way because they can't. Oh, it's a new quarterback, isn't it? Well, let's get a touchdown. Come on, let's get a touchdown.
Daniel Foles' pass is incomplete. Flag on the play.
So short that Go, Kyle, go!
Seth Hiley's pass complete to Kyle Noble. Travis Houston on the carry.
That's what we read.
Be on that.
Seth Hiley's pass incomplete, intended for Ross East. Seth Hiley's pass complete to Travis. Jordan Hasenkamp on the carry. Josh Huff on the stop. Daniel Frost on the carry. Kyle Noble on the stop.
TLE hustle for victory. HUS. TLE. HUS. TLE hustle for victory. HUS. TLE.
Fumble on the play. Thunder with the recovery. Brendan Baskey on the carry. Ross Ingerson on the stop.
Glad you came very much.
Daniel Falk on the quarterback keeper. Seth Hiley on the stop.
Come on, defense. Come on, defense. First down, man.
Mark Surts on the carry. Kyle Noble with the stop. First down for the Thunder.
Must have played this good at a couple yards or so.
The cornstalk.
Defense. Give me a defense.
We've got the first
Chad Hasenkamp on the carry. Jeremy Goodman on the stop. Fumble on the play. Josh Huff with recovery.
You can do it.
Corey Hyde.
Yay, it's still going.
Damn it, you got to. Block, block. Back there, Dad. 70 and 79.
Seth Hyde's pass incomplete, intended for Jeremy Goodman. Mitch Nielsen on the carry. Ross Ingwerson. Mitch Nielsen on the carry. Josh Huff on the stop.
Ah, darn it. Not stopped it.
Joe Baholich on the carry. 11-yard line for the Thunder. Flag before the snap.
Got 5 seconds now.
Ball 6 The Thunder win it 40-6 on the Harrison Park Road. Thank you all for coming and have a safe trip home.
Yeah. I will, as long as I don't get egged again.